So today, it's hot, but we're going to be tackling the steps. And what I have right here is the first step. I took the treads off, and I'm going to paint them. And what I've been doing is picking and getting all this stuff cleaned. I got some of this vinyl floor material that I'm gonna overlay on top, and then I got something a little special that I'm gonna be putting right here. Let me show you. It's coming. It takes a while to do this because you gotta try to match up. Not only do you have to cut it to size, but you gotta make sure that you're cutting the right side, because the lines have to match up, and you want to make sure that you're cutting it all right. But yeah, so we're gonna finish up this side, and I'm gonna put the rubber mat down right here. Then we're gonna finish up the back, and then we're gonna put the top on and put the next step. I don't know if I'm gonna put someone behind the step. There's a little strip, because I thought about putting a piece of that carpet that I had, but we'll see. I just put the bottom rubber mat on. I still got a little bit left to do right here, but this is so time consuming. It just takes a long time to do. I've been doing this 3 hours already. There you go, guys. So what I came up with. Really nice. But this took entirely too much of my time. Would I do it again? Probably not. I wasted probably about 6 or 7 pieces of tile. From my own fault, not noticing what I was doing, but this is not a fun job. But it's done. And it looks great. What I'm doing right now is I'm putting some tape. Putting some tape on here because I want to mark. I want to mark on here, but I don't want to mark on the cabinet. And I want to make sure that I have these doorknobs in the correct location. like that. So we're gonna say right here and right here. How does that look? I think it looks good.
It looks good. Is it even?
It will be even. Because we're gonna drill the holes right here.
You need to charge this thing. Okay.
Next up, we got a microwave in. The thing is, the microwave is just a little bit bigger. So we're gonna have to do what we got to. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this edge off right here. I got it marked up. So I went ahead and put some tape. I got us a piece of cardboard. And we're gonna cut what we gotta cut. What I'm gonna do right now is I got some new mattresses in, so we're gonna put the new shocks. We're gonna put the shocks back on right here. We're gonna close the bed. Then we're gonna take the mattresses and put them on top and let them start airing out. I need to see how big. Come see this way. I need to see how big and how much room I actually have right here, because I have a table that I'm gonna come and I'm gonna scribe against the wall. I just wanna make sure that I'm not cutting too much or not enough. Got some peel and stick wallpaper. Put this up.
Just don't hit nobody.
So guys, right now we are camping. I just wanted to take a break in the video. It is now Friday, July 17th. And we took the camper out to Morgan City. And we're coming for the weekend to come test it out. Right now we're riding around in the Jeep, just come and look at all the different campers.
That barbecue.
We're showing Natalie's daddy different campsites, different campers. And we just needed to show y'all a little bit about what we're gonna be doing, and you know, just a little break from working on this camper. It is campable. We are camping again. And Natalie, yeah, aren't you happy?
I'm excited.
Got a little darkness came up. But this is a nice place.
We're gonna show y'all some more. These houseboats just stay there most of the time. Look at that houseboat.
And they probably rent the slips.